Well, hey lovelies, are you ready for another awesome bicky? Mate, these are so yummy. Honey coconut biscuits. Oh, alright, we're going to need butter, 1 egg, desiccated coconut, caster sugar, self-raising flour and honey. First thing we want to do is grab 125 grams of butter, chop it up in a bowl, let it sit there to get nice and soft at room temperature. Once it's at room temperature, preheat our ovens to 180 degrees Celsius. Grab out some cookie trays with some baking paper. Into a bowl, we want to sift 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. We want to add 2 tablespoons of coconut to that and mix it through. Then set that aside. Then you want to put 1 cup of desiccated coconut in a bowl and we set that aside to roll them in. Now we get our softened butter and we put 1/2 cup of caster sugar in there, 1 egg, and now with an electric beater we want to beat it till smooth. We put 2 tablespoons of honey in there and add our sifted flour and coconut and mix it in really well. Now we get a teaspoon measurement out. We get a heap teaspoon like that. Take it out, scoop it out. Roll it into a ball. Deja vu or what? Then roll it into our coconut. Then onto our baking tray and just press them down a little bit. Once they're done, bang them in the oven. Oh my god mate, it smells amazing in here. 14 minutes later in my electric oven. Oh, you want them that beautiful light golden brown. So onto the bench if you don't have a cooling rack. Otherwise just slide them out onto the cooling rack or the bench and bang your next lot in. And just like that, 36 of the most beautiful little bickies. My granddaughter absolutely loves these ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day and I'll see you soon. Bye.